Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove limits from Instagram. When you follow someone or when you send message to someone, it's showing here we limit how often you can do such things on Instagram to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So how can you fix it? Just simply go back from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply go to the Instagram, and then let me tell you that you have to tap on your profile, and then you have to tap on three lines, and from here you have to tap on settings, and from here you have to tap on privacy, and from here you have to tap on limits. So if this toggle is turned on, and then you have to turn it off. So you have to turn off your limit and then go back from here, and after that you have to tap on three lines, and then you have to tap on settings again, and then you have to tap on help, and after that you have to tap on report a problem, and again tap on report a problem, and after that you have to wait for a while, and here you have to explain about your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. So after that what you need to do is just simply tap on gallery. So let me tell you that firstly you have to take a screenshot of your problem, and then you have to tap on gallery, and from here you have to select your screenshot, and after that you have to tap on submit. So after submitting, you hopefully your problem will be fixed and limits will be removed from your Instagram. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.